Hello, my name is Troy Epperson, and this is my website, oneononetrading.com. I've been doing trading and educating for many, many years, and if you're that guy that are almost break even, you're break even, you can't quite get over the line into profitability, maybe you could use a couple of hours of coaching that will really help maybe focus you and get you on your path to success. If so, please check out my website, oneononetrading.com, and I hope you enjoy the morning brief. Good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, February 1st. All trading involves risk. So what do we have on the docket today? Overnight, we had a lot of European numbers again, final manufacturing PMIs. PMIs from all over Europe, German, French, Italian, Spanish PMIs. Very mixed, as you can see. There's reds and greens mixed in. Today in the U.S., we have ADP non-farm employment change just came out, 106,000 versus 176. So this is saying, hey, there's not as many jobs as there was, or there's not as many as we thought there was new jobs that we thought we were going to have. So this is sort of negative news. But really, you really, all eyes are on the 2 o'clock today. What do we have at 2 o'clock today? Today we have the FOMC statement, as well as federal funds rate, and of course the FOMC press conference at 2:30. But in between, we have U.S. final manufacturing PMI at 9:45, 10 a.m., ISM manufacturing PMI, JOLTS job openings, construction spending, and ISM manufacturing prices, as well as total vehicle sales, as well as crude oil inventories. Lots of stuff going on today. Of course, then at 2 o'clock, all that good stuff going on. You see the red. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red items today. Big news day. I'm actually kind of glad I'm not trading today. I am still in my intensive C# class. Got 2 more today and tomorrow. And yes, if I look bleary-eyed, it's because coding is it's hard, and learning how to do it is even harder. Wow. So anyway, got some good stuff going on. Make sure you write down 10 a.m. and 2 p.m., 2:30 p.m. as areas where you want to be neutral. You want to be out of the market, on the sidelines when these things happen. No way to forecast. You can always guesstimate what's going to happen, but in trading, guesstimation usually doesn't do very well. We need to trade what we see, not what we think. So that being said, those are the news items for today. Looking at the daily chart here, you can see that yesterday we had a big update, gapping down very slightly. Again, it's almost like we're establishing a new a new band of consolidation, maybe another band, something like that, where we're just bouncing around back and forth, really going nowhere. On the direction, on the way up. Okay, so this is definitely on the way up. We do have this trend line above that has been very, so let's see if we can bang up against that today and get rejected. That'll be very interesting to see. Top side is that high, which is 41.10, but I really think this low volume node right here is on the horizon, 41.22. Probably pretty easily could get to that. We really had a spectacular day. The Fed surprises. Maybe 41.48 would be within range, as well as that high there. So there's lots of stuff on the upside, lots of resistance, but there's still lots of stuff going on. We could still get a run and try to break that high right there. If we could break that high, we would have another higher high, and that would be very bullish. If not, where can we go? I think we could easily test yesterday's low, 4,000. 4,000 seems to be the number. We get below 40, well, in this case, the low volume node's 40.09. Say we'll round it up to 40.10. We get below 40.10, it looks kind of ugly. The thing is that even if we get down there, we're coming back into major support. back into major support. So major support below, but have to go a little bit higher up into this high area, this high volume area, to get some major resistance. So that's sort of where we're at. Let's see what else have we got. Momentum. So yesterday, looked like we were going to be going down 7 a.m. It reversed, coming back up. Big day up, but look at inventory. Big day up. Inventory is basically flat. So even at the close, it was slightly negative. So big move, negative inventory. This is everybody squaring up, getting out in anticipation of the FOMC meeting being very volatile. So not surprising. I would not be too worried about this action. This is not correlated, right? This is divergence. So big move up and actually a move down in inventory. So divergence here. If you didn't know there was a big news today, I would be saying, hey, something's going on. Big move up. Nobody added contracts. This is a big repositioning. I'm not interested in being long or short going into today. That's what that chart says. Let's see. Intraday. We have the overnight high at 40.86 quarter, and there's some confluence right there. 85, 86. Yeah, there is some resistance there. Like that level. 4,100. A little bit more, up around 41.15. And you see that the lines start getting closer together as we get higher up. There's a little more resistance around 41.30 and 41.52. On the downside, we have the overnight low, 40.70, like the 40.68 better. And I love 40.50. There's a couple of levels right here, just under 40.50. 40.48 and 40.47. Those are the numbers I'm looking for intraday. Stock Traders Almanac is 76.2. 76.2. One of our higher probability days. 76.2% chance the market will be up today on a historical basis from the Stock Traders Almanac. Again, that's 76.2. 76.2. Hope you have a great day. This is a day you want to be extraordinarily careful. So be careful. Stick to your stops. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.